back to another vlog. If y'all new here, I go by Fashion Doll.
I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary.
What's up? I'm out with Bestie. We had starters, y'all. The food was 0 out of 10.
Okay.
What you rate the food?
0, negative.
Our macaroni was dry as hell. My mama macaroni was slacking yesterday. I don't know why the fuck I got macaroni and I just had some. When I was out of town, that's all I ate was fucking macaroni. Y'all, we done had a wait until it's hell moment.
Why I was gonna say that? That's what I was gonna call it.
And I'm just gonna leave it at that.
A troll irritated the fuck out of me on the internet. Fucking about my big ass forehead.
And I told her don't let them hoes get to y'all. I know my supporters are gonna like back you up. Like, girl, do not let nobody get to you. I told her that.
Fuck them. Y'all see my new tattoo? We need a tattoo appointment. Oh, the fit though. The fit is from Bestie. The fit is from Bestie Amazon storefront. Y'all need to shop. Shop her storefront. It's from her store. Bestie storefront. Okay.
Link is in the description box. Okay.
Yes. But yeah, shop my Bestie storefront.
Period. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. What's good, y'all? I think it's like December, not even December. What am I talking about? It's November the 27th, I believe, or November the 26th. Let me check. It's November the 26th. I did start vlogging yesterday. I was in a restaurant, so I don't know if y'all heard me. I don't know if I'm gonna put that footage in, so I don't know if this is the beginning or the middle of the vlog or what. But I wanted to show y'all some stuff I picked up for my birthday. It's not much, but I just thought I'll share it with y'all. Let me show y'all what I got. I got this cute holiday Starbucks cup. They had this in gold in this color, so I got this in, I think this is grande. The cups went up, y'all. It's $24.95. That is what I'm doing with this. Put that in the garbage. That's a little too much, but I had a gift card, so I used the gift card for this. But it's really cute. I needed a new one, so I grabbed that. I picked up a candle from Walmart, y'all. This is the Better Homes and Gardens. This is the salted coconut mahogany candle. I'm about to tell y'all to smell it. It smells pretty good. Y'all know I love candles, and I believe Walmart was having a sale on their candles, so I just grabbed this. So we're gonna move along to the gifts my best friend got me, and she got me something from Saks Fifth. And in this box, I got some Chanel makeup wipes. Can y'all see that? So yeah, she got me the Chanel cotton wipes. And I've been eyeballing these for a while, so it's crazy how she got me those. And I didn't even tell her. Like, so I'm excited to have my luxury, you know, cotton wipes, y'all. And then my next gift is also from Saks. Saks also, this came with a cute little card, and she says, "Happy birthday, best friend. I hope you like your luxury birthday gift. Something to add to your black woman luxury lifestyle. Love you." So cute, so sweet. I love her so much. This is very thoughtful of her. And I got 2 gifts. So she got me the Chanel lip balm. So yeah, this is cute. Oh my god, look at this. y'all can see. So she got me that, and then she got me some Tory Burch earrings. These were on my birthday wish list, and she got me these. These are so cute. Can y'all see this? These are popping, y'all. These are super cute. I cannot wait to wear these. These is giving luxury, y'all. So I love those. Love, love, love. The box is so cute. I don't want to throw the box away, y'all. I don't need this box, but it's so cute. So that's from Bestie. Thank you, Bestie. Love you. So I got, let me move y'all back up. So I got the Prada perfume, and it come in this cute little bottle. I got the 1 fluid ounce, and it's cute. It come like this. It says Prada. Then it has Prada right here. And yeah, it smells good, really cute. I could not smell this in stores, so I was hoping it smelled good. I just opened it today, actually, and I wore it. So yeah, I got that. This is really cute. Y'all, when I was in Houston, I stopped at DD's. Look, DD's discount. Y'all be talking about DD's, but DD's sell the same shit Burlington sell, y'all. Burlington and Marshalls and TJ Maxx, they all the same. But I found these cute little nude panties. It had a black pair, but I already wore one pair. But look at these. These are cute little boy shorts. They like silk, and they just cute. Yeah, these were cute. So I just grabbed these at DD's. Also at DD's, y'all see the bag, DD's. I grabbed this little denim jacket. I love denim jackets because you can wear these all year round. The thing about this is like the graphic design on the back, which is ACDC, and I really love this. This is cute. I can see myself styling this really, really cute. And this was only $14.99, y'all. So I was like, you can't beat that for a denim jacket. So I love that. I'm gonna hang this up. And then I got myself something from Journeys. I wasn't able to open this. I gotta have Ugg boots, y'all, every year. I gotta have a pair of Uggs. So I got a pair of Ugg boots, and I got these in black. I needed another pair of black. I haven't had a black pair of Ugg boots in years, so I just picked up these. Yeah, so just simple black boot. So yeah, got those. And then what else did I get? I got myself a coat or a jacket. This is more so like a jacket. This is like a cropped black jacket, and I got this from Forever 21. This is cute to go with like my black boots. So I like that the detail on here is all black, so I can wear black and gold, so I don't have to just stick to one color. So that's good. I'm gonna play a clip on the side, y'all, but this is my LED light that I got made for me. It says Fashion Doll. I got it from Amazon. This will be linked in my Amazon storefront. So this was very reasonable. I believe I paid under $130, and I believe it probably was like around $120-ish, because I paid like $12 for shipping. Shipping was fast. They send you a rough draft of what you asked for to make sure that's what you want. You can get the dimmer light. I think that was a little extra. Like I said, I will leave that linked below. You guys go ahead and check that out. My total was with tax, $133.58. And then like I said, it was cheaper than that. So like if you don't want the dimmer, you don't have to get that. It'd be cheaper. I also applied like a coupon, I believe, like 20% off. And I have wrote a little note so you're able to tell them like what you want to make changes to. So I didn't want like a circle for my eye, so like the dot, I wanted a heart. So I told them that, and then they sent me the rough draft. Everything was good. So yeah, I'm very pleased with my sign. I'm happy. I've been wanting one for the longest, and like I said, it was very reasonable price. I got 30-inch. That's pretty much what I got. I did buy some leggings from Forever 21 when I was out of town, but I took them back because y'all, they had a sell online, so y'all know how I am. So I just took those back today. So I ordered like 4 pairs, and they'll be coming soon. That's what I got for my birthday. And I went to the Galleria Mall. I wasn't like in the mood to shop. Like, I'm always shopping, and I tried to find me something, but I just cannot find nothing, y'all. So like, it's cool because Christmas coming, so bam, I might pop up with something. But that's all I want to do, was share with y'all what I got for my birthday. I'm about to put this stuff up. Then I need to record this TikTok video because the video has a due date. I think it's due on the 28th, so I need to hurry up and record it, send a video over so it can get approved and all that fun stuff. So I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's a couple of days later. It is November the 28th, y'all. I'm a little upset, y'all. So I took my time out and I recorded this video for TikTok. So I'm assuming somebody reported my video and got my video deleted, because y'all, if y'all don't know, I am now officially a DHgate influencer. I get paid commission to promote products or whatever. And yeah, y'all know me, I'm like, I love fashion, and I'm here for everybody. For the people that can afford designer, for the ones that can't afford designer, the ones probably can afford it and don't want to pay the money, whatever. Your money, spend it how you want it. Let me show y'all what I got from DHgate. Y'all know I got the right here, the Louis Vuitton Neo No Way. This is the real bag I purchased with my own money, of course. That bag was like over $1,000 some. I got it back in 2020. Still hold up pretty good. Holding up excellent, actually. Then, so I did a comparison to the Louis Vuitton Neo No Way dupe, or replica, whatever you want to call it, from DHgate. Let me do it side by side for y'all, so y'all can see. So this is the dupe or replica. This is the real one. I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna try to repost that video, so if y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all can check it out. But if y'all are interested in buying this bag, then go on TikTok and click the link in my bio, okay? Do that for me. But people, some haters. I'm like all them damn DHgate videos up. But yeah, it's actually a good ass dupe. If y'all want me to do like a comparison video, I would do that and get into more details, but I'm not gonna do it in this vlog. But if y'all are interested in that, let me know. Or like I said, y'all could just go on my TikTok and check the video out. I'm gonna try to repost it. I got a package from Forever 21. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got right quick. Probably gonna get ready to edit this vlog and post it, since I haven't posted in a week. And I need to post my birthday vlog. I don't have no more space on my phone. I've been recording so much stuff on my phone, y'all. I did buy that little memory USB, or is it USD? USB, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. Where I can like upload videos and pictures to clear space off my phone. But I am about to invest in a laptop soon, so I can just start editing on my laptop. But anyway, y'all, Forever 21 had a sale, and I got some leggings. They were on sale for like $13.99, so I bought 4 pairs. This is one pair that I had actually got when I was out of town, but I took them back the other day because these were originally $20 and I got them on sale for $13.99. So these are super long. that thick like sweater material. So this is cute. This is like a nude color. I don't know if it's picking up, if y'all can see, but I got that color. Also got them in black. I needed a black pair because I told y'all it'd be so hard for me to find leggings, and when I come across them, I will definitely grab them, and I did. Oh, these are perfect. I got a shirt from Target that will go perfect with these. So I got a gray pair, and then I got a burgundy pair. Yep, so these are the 4 pairs that I got. Like I said, they all were $13.99. Online in stores they were $20. So you can't beat that. 4 pairs for like $60, y'all. So I grabbed those for the winter, and I should be all good. I'm about to end this vlog here, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, y'all.